my native language, Shona, from Zimbabwe.
Afro camp is like a big family where you do dances and you make wonderful, delicious food and play these great and like awesome games.
Na-amụta egwu a na-agụ agụ, egwu a na-eti eti, egwu a na-agba agba, ma egwuregwu, ihe ndị ichie mebụ, ihe ndị be anyị mebụ. Anyị na-asụ asụsụ Igbo, na-asụ Zulu, na-asụ Kinyarwanda.
The most special thing about camp was definitely the friends. Some from last year, some just came here, and it's just really fun hanging out with them.
So Afro Culture Kids Camp gives my children an opportunity to express who they are, to learn who they are, to learn more about African culture, which is so empowering to them.
It is important for kids, especially Black and brown kids, to learn about their heritage because you don't learn about that kind of stuff in history class or social studies. And it's really awesome to learn about where you came from and your family came from. And it really helps you grow as a person.
Balulekile kakhulu ukuthi like masomntwana ufundiswe zonke lezi zinto lezi uzokwazi ukuthi nawe masomdala uzokwazi ukudlulisela.
I like the arts, the dances. I really like the music.
Yeah, well, Afro Culture Kids.
Yeah, well, Mama Yara.
Yeah, well, Afro Culture Kids.
Yeah, well, Mama Yara.
Today is a day for intertribal games. We acknowledge the stewards of the land that were here before us in this park, in this beautiful space where people, animals, trees, plants have been here stewarding this beautiful place for us to breathe this air.
Afro Camp is a great and fulfilling and warm family place for my kid to be and just be surrounded by love and learn more about himself and his history.